Honey Run Waterfall. There's our truck. It's a small little parking lot. But I don't know if you can hear it in the background. That's the falls. Very, very close to parking. So if you don't have much in the way of hiking and you want to see a really cool waterfall, this is the one to come to. So I will add on the waterfall to this video so you can see it. And it's this direction over there. So let's go. Honey Run Waterfall. Very loud. It rained like crazy last night, so we had to drive all the way out here to see it. It's awesome. I'll get some different shots for you. Shot of the waterfall from the bridge.